Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Susan's just making it. I'm here making stuff, messes, chaos, and just trying to make it through life. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if this is your first time watching, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. And if you like today's video, don't forget the thumbs up right down here, guys. So today's video, I am going to be sharing my Eyescream beauty box. This is a new subscription box to me. I've seen it unboxed several times on YouTube, and I thought that it was a really great deal for the price, and I've really been loving some of the products that have been shown. I was really eyeballing that base blue tulip palette, thought it was gorgeous, and there was the Oaklawn palettes last month that I was eyeballing, and I'm like, I need to subscribe because they were getting some good stuff in those boxes. At some point I might add the bag, but I don't want to get carried away, so I'm just doing the box for now. It's an amazing value, $25 a month, shipping included. You just have to pay the tax, and I used a discount code I found, and I was able to save 10% off my first box, so that helped a little bit getting started. So I know you guys have probably already seen your share of the Eyescream beauty unboxings for July. I got mine kind of later than everyone else. I've already seen a couple unboxings myself, so it's no surprise to me really what's in it for the most part, but it's different seeing it in person versus seeing it in a video. So I debated doing the unboxing. I'm like, everybody else is already unboxed. Probably everyone has seen the unboxing, but there may be a few of you out there that have not seen the unboxing yet, or don't care about watching another one. You'll watch it anyway. So I'm like, oh, I'll go ahead and unbox it on my channel. And the box is a little small, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. Sometimes good things come in small packaging, and I went ahead and cut the box open, peeled off the label a little bit because I was just sitting here fudging with it while I was uploading other videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and it does have the little product card that everybody has shown you guys already, which is kind of awesome because I'm always curious about retail prices for stuff. Even if I buy something from a third-party seller, I'm always kind of curious the retail price to see what kind of a deal I got. So it's kind of nice to have that. And I may just kind of keep these on hand so I can remember what I got each month. So there's that, and the packing peanuts I'm just going to take out. And they mentioned that if you put these in water, they dissolve, and I'm a little kid at heart sometimes, and I'm probably going to try that with a couple just to see if it really works. Just saying. I'd be lying if I say I'm not going to. So those out of the way. Okay, first thing on top, and I always save my bubble wrap for when I ship stuff out, is let's see, I may have to put my glasses on at some point because I'm probably going to need to read something. It's the St. Lux highlighter, little box. It says that it's, I'm trying to see how big it is, 0.15 ounce, so it's a tiny little thing, and I like the black on black. It's really pretty, and the color is Opulence, so it's right there. And let's see what it looks like in here. I like the little plastic cases. I think they hold up better than the cardboard sometimes. Sometimes the cardboard ones can get you know, kind of the corners banged up if you drop them. If I can get it open. It's got a mirror. Very pretty color. However, I'm noticing it's probably not showing up for you guys. I don't have a ring light on today because I have good natural light. But so it's not going to show up like if I had the ring light on. Very sparkly. Okay, a lot of sparkle in this. So it's a pretty gold color. Love the color, but I'll have to think on this one because it's very sparkly, and I'm gonna call my sister out. She's like, why you call me out on your videos? Whenever I wear an eyeshadow that's got glitter to it, she says, oh, when you do your introduction for your videos, you should say, hi, welcome to my channel, I'm Susie Sparkles. So this could be dangerous because she'll be saying, hi, I'm Susie Sparkles. That's her little like nickname poking fun at me. So I'll have to think on that highlighter. Very pretty color, but very sparkly. So I'm just going to put that aside and think on that a little bit. And then I have the Basic Beauty. And I saw in everyone's videos that they got the bronzers. Oh, by the way, the highlighter is St. Luke's Beauty Highlighting Powder, $18 for that little tiny thing. I wouldn't pay $18 for it, but it's $18 value. I saw that everybody was getting the Basic Beauty Bronzy AF palette, and I'm kind of like, but I already have that palette, you know, and I'm like, well, that's okay, I'll just put it in the giveaway box. You know, I already have it. I don't mind sharing it. But guess what, guys? I got the Tipsy Blush Trio blush palette. So it all worked out. I didn't end up with a duplicate bronzer palette. Good for me, not necessarily giveaway wise. Okay, let me take the color saver off. They're really pretty colors. They're like the peachy colors. And I do like the peaches. This is another one I'm like the middle shade. I really am loving. This is one I'm gonna have to think on, because if it was the bronzer, it was gonna go in the giveaway box over here that I put all the stuff in. But since it's the blush, I'm gonna have to think on it. I'll probably go in my makeup room and compare it to what I already have in there. If I have a lot of similar shades, it'll still go on the giveaway, but if it's not similar to what I have, I might be keeping it. So I'm gonna have to see about that one, because I don't know. Stuff out of the way. Okay, in the blush trio, let me see if it's on here. Basic Beauty face palette, $30. So maybe some people got bronzer and some people got blush. Everyone that I seen unbox it had the bronzer. So I guess some people get bronzer, some people get blush. I don't know. The next thing is these Illuminati Cosmetics gel paint liners, and these retail for $42. $42 for 2 eyeliners. A little steep if you ask me, but okay. So let's take a look at these. I did, let's see if I can get it open without messing up the zipper here. I saw another channel unbox this, and they said that they had already had these liners, and then they got them again in the box, and said that if you don't like bold color, you might not like them. So let's see what they look like in person, because it was hard to tell on the video what they really look like. So this is the blue one, and I'm trying to see if I thought there was a color on it, but I just set my glasses over here. Let's see. The color says electric blue, and the other one is electric pink. Well, it's kind of easy. Electric blue, electric pink. Okay, so the blue one, set it here so it doesn't roll away. It's do they twist up or do you have to sharpen them? Not sure. I don't feel like messing with it right this minute. But the blue one, it's not terrible, you know. Let's try to see if I can put it over here where it's I don't know. I got so much clutter in the background, it's hard to see. But see, it's more like I don't know, a little bit darker than a royal, but not quite as dark as a navy. So that's not too terrible. That's doable. Let's see what the pink looks like. The pink, however, is very hot pink. Let's see if I can show you. Very dark hot pink. This one, I don't know. I don't know. It's very dark pink. So these, again, I'll have to think on as well. I'll think on it if I want to keep them or if I want to share them. I'm undecided because they're pretty bold. I'll have to think about that. So there's those, and then there's the, okay, there's a lip gloss. Let me see if I can find it. Purellano Tuscan Sunset Gloss, and this retails for $25. So this alone pays for your box, the gloss. So let's see if I can get it open without wrecking the box to death. And then it's like, I was kind of thinking when I subscribed, you know, because it's like I have quite a bit of makeup already. Why am I buying more? But the thing is I don't want to totally rip the box, but I might getting this open. Yep, it's gonna rip. Oh well. Already having a lot of makeup and then getting a beauty subscription. The thing is, with the box being so affordable, I can pick out the things I like and the things that I'm not crazy about I can share, and it's not like a huge financial thing because the box is super affordable. So let me see if there's a color on this, unless it's the Tuscan Sunset, I believe is the color. And so really pretty packaging. I love how it's frosted and then clear in the middle. That's pretty. And then we've got the mirror on it, and it's got the little shield thing. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Pretty sure I'm gonna keep this, so it's okay. But it's got the mirror. And then I saw this and I thought it was cool. I'm like, I can't wait to get my box so I can play with that. It has an LED light. So you push the button. There's a button right here. Push it. See how it lights up? Super cool. And then when you take it off, which I can take it off because I'm going to keep it, so it's not like I'm going to give it away. And this is one thing I am sure I'm going to keep. And it's got the light. See the light? So that's kind of cool. It's like, I guess if you're out clubbing, which will not be me, but for maybe a younger person, if you're out clubbing and while you're dancing and it's dark, you could refresh your lip gloss because you got a mirror and you got the light. So I don't know. It's like, I guess it's kind of practical, like if you're in a darker spot to see to put your lip gloss on, but not really. I think it's like a novelty more than anything else. I don't know, but it's cute. It's different. I appreciate that. I appreciate things that are a little different. That I'm definitely keeping. I like it a lot. The color, and plus it's got a little light on it, so that's exciting. And the best of the best, every box has a palette in it. That alone makes it worth getting a subscription. And it has the, I know I'm going to butcher the name, I'm terrible, Moire, M-O-I-R-E, M-O-I-R-A, no A. Forgive me, it's getting later in the afternoon, I'm starting to get out of it. Beauty Daydreams palette. And I'll just show you. I'm butchering the whole thing. The packaging is super cute. I love the pink and yellow together. And then with the stripe of teal. I mean, like some of my favorite colors on the packaging. So I'll take that out. The palette itself is just like the sleeve, the teal. Okay, take the color saver off. And like I said, you guys have probably already seen this. This I'm definitely keeping. I'm loving the colors in it. I'm sure some months I might get palettes I'm not crazy about that I'm willing to share, but this one will not be it. Sorry guys. I am loving this palette. The purples, it's got the pinks down here, it's got the nice yellow for an inner corner or a pop of color, the turquoisey teal color, some nice warm browns. Love it. Gorgeous. This is a win for my first Ice Cream beauty box. The for sure's, I'm definitely keeping the palette, and I'm definitely keeping the lip gloss. The other ones I'll have to think on for a day or two, but in my opinion it's a really nice box. I mean, the highlighter and blush are really pretty. It's just a matter of, I do have a lot of highlighters and it has kind of a lot of sparkle. I don't know how comfortable I'd feel wearing it with that much sparkle to it. The blushes are gorgeous. I love the colors. I'm just gonna have to see what I have, if it makes sense to keep it or not. And the liners, they're pretty too, but they're kind of bold colors, and I'm not 20 something, so some of it I'm gonna have to think on, just, you know, how practical is it, will I actually wear it. Being pretty doesn't mean anything if you're just gonna look at it because it's pretty but never use it. So I'm trying to be a little bit better about when I buy makeup, not going crazy and just buying everything because it's pretty. It's like, if it's similar to what I have, or I realistically am not gonna wear it, then I need to not buy it unless I'm buying it to share. And in that case, it doesn't have to be something I particularly like because everybody has different tastes. But yeah, so even with these boxes, and I am going to be checking into, I like the excitement of the mystery boxes, so I might, you know, pick up a couple of them within the next couple months, because I just like, oh, you know, it's it's excitement seeing what's in them. But again, that's okay, because if I like stuff and it's not something I already have, I can keep it, and if it's not my taste, I already have it or whatever, I have no problem sharing it. Either whether it's, you know, to my subscribers or, you know, family and friends. So anyway, I was pretty happy with the Eyescream beauty box. Like I said, I saw the unboxings, but the couple I watched, it was in the evening and I was like half tired, so I kind of only semi paid attention, and it's not the same watching a video as it is seeing it in person. But I think this was a great box. You can let me know what you think down below. Like I said, I really love that palette. The colors are gorgeous. And I just love the light on the lip gloss. It's kind of cool. The mirror, okay, it's cool, but not that cool. The light is cool. I'm sorry. That's a win just for that. It could be the most hideous color, and I would still think that was cool. But I do like the color as well, because it's like that brownish gold, like a copper color. And I think I could be comfortable wearing that. So that is the Eyescream beauty box. Let me know what you think down below. If you haven't that like yet, I'd appreciate it if you do so. And until the next video, bye everyone.